What's up, Tartlets? It's Jen, and today I'm going to show you how to turn into Daenerys Stormborn, Mother of Dragons, Breaker of Chains, Queen of the Andals, and most famously known as Khaleesi. So get ready to bend the knee because we're getting started. So since Khaleesi has fair skin, as do I'm going to be using our Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation in the shade Fair. I like to start in the center of the face, working outward. Next, we're going to conceal and highlight with our Shape Tape Contour Concealer in the shade Fair. I like to put it right under my eyes, my eyelids, the bridge of my nose, and right around the sides of my nose. Since she has more of a matte complexion, I'm going to be using our Double Duty Beauty Creamy Confidence Powder Foundation in the shade Fair. Now we're going to subtly contour our eyes with the shade Force of Nature from our original Tartelette palette. I'm just popping it right into the crease of my eye and right along the outer corners of my lower lash line. Next, we're going to apply a couple coats of my favorite Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. Now since Khaleesi's brows are more blonde, I'm going to be using our Busy Gal Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Taupe. We're going to add a touch of warmth to our cheeks using our Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party. Next, I'm going to shorten the appearance of my nose similar to Khaleesi's by using the contour shade Chisel from our Tarteist Pro Glow To Go Highlight and Contour Palette. We're going to create a subtle, naturally nude lip using our Tarteist Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in the shade Salty. I'm also taking a shadow brush to buff it out for a natural finish. Alright, Tartlets, so there you have it. We just turned ourselves into Khaleesi. If you want to recreate this look, you just saw all the products I used, and if you want to get the wig and the costume is from Etsy and the costume is from Amazon.